Okay, you're ready to make enchiladas and realize you don't have any enchilada sauce. I want to share my super quick and easy 5-minute homemade enchilada sauce. This recipe uses pantry staples, so I bet you already have everything on hand. Grab yourself a saucepan and let's head over to the stovetop where this all comes together. Turn your stovetop to medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil or another neutral cooking oil. Once the oil is shimmering, we're going to press a clove of garlic right into the oil. You can mince the garlic instead, but pressing it is easier for me, so that's what I do. Go ahead and whisk this into the oil and cook it until it's fragrant. Should only take about 30 seconds. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, whisk this into the oil, and then continue to cook it while whisking for about another minute. This is going to help lightly toast it. All right, next we'll add our spices. We'll use 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then I like to add a tablespoon of ancho chili powder. If you don't have ancho chili powder, you can't find it, just use another tablespoon of regular chili powder, that's fine. Add a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of light brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of table salt, a half teaspoon of dried oregano, and just a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little heat. You can leave this out if you prefer. Whisk everything together really well and cook it for another 30 seconds or so. This is just to lightly toast the spices so you have a really nice deep flavor. It's going to be pretty thick and dry. This is normal, just keep it moving so it doesn't burn. If you need to turn down your heat, that's fine. Next, add 2 tablespoons tomato paste. Go ahead and whisk that in really well. We'll want to cook this a little bit longer, but you don't want things to burn, so keep it moving. While whisking, slowly drizzle in 2 cups of chicken broth. Keep cooking, stirring constantly until the sauce is slightly thickened. It won't thicken a whole lot, but it will be a little bit thicker. All right, final thing, I like to add a squeeze of lime juice. Like fresh lime juice is really best for this if you have it. We're gonna add like 2 teaspoons. When I was testing this, yes, I measured like excessively, but when I'm making it, honestly, I usually just like squeeze half a lime or some of half a lime. The next video that I share with you, see if I can do this without making a mess, will be me making my easy chicken enchiladas using this exact sauce. This recipe makes a little more than 2 cups of sauce, which is usually what you need for a batch of enchiladas. All right, let me know if this was helpful, and hopefully I'll see you over on my next video where we make my easy chicken enchiladas. I almost forgot, you always want to taste test, and if you need to add a little more salt, add a little more salt. That's perfect.